The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, but before I present the video to you, I want to give you some information that will make you have a better understanding about the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, I got some information that a policeman was shot and injured during a standoff between police officers and a mentally ill ex-soldier from within the country of Jamaica, within a place that is known as Cumberland Meadows, that is within Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. The whole incident happened on the 2nd of November, the year 2021. It is said that the former soldier was also injured in the incident, and it is said that a police officer was shot and injured. It is said that the policeman was shot in the leg, and it is said that he was taken to a hospital for medical treatment. Now, according to some more information that I got, it is said that the police say that a team of police officers was dispatched to the community after residents within the community reported that the ex-soldier was firing shots at them. It is said that upon arrival, the former army man fired shots at those police officers who arrived at the scene of the whole situation or the incident. And it is said that the police returned fire, and it is said that the mentally ill ex-soldier locked himself inside of his house with his daughter, who was doing online schoolwork or online class. It is said that the police then called reinforcement, and it is said that the police say following a negotiation and with the help of his wife or the intervention of his wife, the situation was de-escalated and the man was taken into police custody. Now, viewers and subscribers, I did not get any confirmed information about the ex-soldier's medical condition. However, you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know. Now, I am going to leave the video with you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows some of the things that happened during the standoff between police officers and the ex-soldier within the place that is known as Cumberland in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 2nd of November, the year 2021. You can also let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers, and I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, observe, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself.
Put down your weapon and come outside. Let's not hear the more bloodshed. Now,